Hi everyone, this is Eva. Welcome to our amazing salad kitchen. Today, Jacky and I are going to share with you a weight loss meal, keto avocado stick salad. First of all, we are going to see what's keto and its benefit. A keto diet is a very trendy but extremely way to assist with weight loss. A keto diet requires eating foods low in carb but high in fat, such as no bread, no rice. You can eat chicken, red meat, avocado, egg, and nuts. You need to also avoid eating sugar, even sweet vegetables like sweet potatoes or beets. We will introduce more information about keto diet in the future. Now, our chef Jacky is going to show you one of a keto avocado stick salad. We use spinach and romaine lettuce as base, along with our homemade Caesar dressing. You can also use balsamic vinegar with olive oil, lemon juice, some black pepper, and salt. And we have broccoli, cucumber, tomatoes, mushroom, hard-boiled egg, and a yummy avocado, we have cheddar cheese, steaks, and some green onion on top. Voila! This is the keto avocado stick salad. And personally, I think no matter what kind of diet you are following, the best way to lose weight is workout, and use keto diet as your weight loss assistant. After all, healthy body is the best body. Hope you like this video. If you do, please kindly give us a thumbs up and subscribe along with turning on the little bell. See you next time.